I'm Jim Trusky. I'm a designer and engineering software administrator for Tread Corporation in Roanoke, Virginia. Our primary product is bulk trucks for handling of explosives. They're used in the construction and mining industries, mountaintop removal, surface mining, both for coal, gold, basically any commodity. We build the body, we build the tanks and design and assemble the pumping systems and the hydraulics and everything. Typically the customer specifications are going to involve the truck capacity and the pumping and or augering rates and the mix ratios. Every customer has their own set of requirements. This guy wants this brand of pumps and this guy likes this brand of pumps. It's very challenging having to make the truck basically function the same but with different components. We use Solid Edge to design virtually every component on the body. Even the purchased components, we have modeled or download models so that we can put them in our assemblies to determine fit. We started using synchronous technology shortly after it came out, and it's made a world of difference for us. It's very much a time saver. When doing a new design, typically it takes me about half the time than it did in ordered. I can change the design, pull it around, move faces, try various iterations, move that assembly into other assemblies, and see how everything fits together and make changes on the fly so much faster. Because you don't have to unravel and go back to step 3 of a 20-step history tree. You can just grab a face and move it and see how it looks, and if you don't like it, you can move it right back. There's certain components, say hydraulic cylinders to use as an example, that are all the same, just different sizes. And boy, when you can take the model from one, grab a couple faces, move it out a few inches, and boom, you've got the model for another size. And it's that quick and that simple. With synchronous, we can reuse so much data so much faster. I'd say it's probably cut our time down to 25% of what it would be if I started at step 1 with a sketch and a protrusion or a contour flange. 25% of what it would be when I started with a clean sheet. A lot of our vendors will have CAD drawings on the shelf of some of their components, and they'll send it to you, you download it, boom, you open it up in Solid Edge and save it as a PAR file, put our part number on it, and we've got it. And we don't have to redraw it again. But sometimes the customer drawings are not 100% perfect for what we need. They might send us a model of a hydraulic cylinder in its retracted position, and we need a model of it in its extended position, and synchronous makes that very easy. So we can take their model, change it, put it where we need it, and we're done. And that's probably cuts time on a part like that down by a factor of 10. I realize that synchronous is definitely the future of CAD, that it definitely has such potential for production enhancement that there was no way I couldn't get behind it and throw myself into it. It's always good to have more skills in more than one way of doing things. It's made me more productive, allowed me to pursue other items at work, such as the software administration side of our CAD and PLM software, and allowed me to do more time to do multiple duties.